enjoying your journey into juggling. If you're somewhere near the 3 beanbag cascade, there's some other patterns that we can have a go at. The first one that I'm going to describe is 2 beanbags in one hand. Obviously we're not changing over, so you're going to use just one hand. I would recommend your stronger side first. We are aiming to get both in the air and go for a nice tall oval to start with. So I'm going to throw one in the air and get the other one going around. So instead of crossing over like with 3, we're looking for a nice tall oval or ellipse shape. This is quite fast with beanbags, so it might take a bit of practice to get it. As well as an oval, we can have a go at side by side. We call this columns. It's the same rhythm, one and then the other. So we're keeping them side by side, trying to make sure the green one's in the centre of my body and the pink one on the outside. So that's 2 in one hand. 2 patterns to have a go at, both in your right hand and in your left hand.